thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julie Olivarius, and I received in the mail today this brand new SPF 25 tinted finishing powder. So today I want to pop on here, give a little review of it, try it for the first time, and see how it works. So before we get started, let's talk a little bit about SPF. So that actually stands for sun protection factor, which it's not an ingredient that you can actually add to something. It is a level of protection that a product has. So this tinted finishing powder has an SPF factor an SPF of 25, which is really cool. And so if you're like me, using a sunscreen is part of my daily routine. It's really important for me, especially because I have melasma on my face, and being in the sun makes it even worse. Now today I've already put pressed powder on, so it's mostly covered my melasma. You can't really see it, but if you've seen any of my other videos where I'm either not wearing makeup or I'm doing, a full face tutorial, you can absolutely see it on my face. And so one reason that, of course, using a sunscreen is so important is because it protects your skin from damage, but also it can protect your skin from skin cancer. So it's really important to be using a sunscreen just as part of your daily routine. Just because it's cloudy outside or it's winter doesn't mean that you aren't still getting sun on your skin. In fact, about 80% of the UVA and UVB rays still come through the clouds even on a cloudy day. So it's important to protect your skin year round. Now, I understand that, a lot of you, if you do this, you may apply a sunscreen in the morning, but then you put on your makeup and hello, you're not going to be applying your sunscreen on top of your makeup. So you don't put it on the rest of the day, right? Your skin is not protected because sunscreen lasts about 2 hours, assuming that you haven't been in the water. So that's where this really cool new product comes in. I'll show you guys what this looks like here. So this is an SPF tinted finishing powder. So what it does is it protects your skin, and you actually use it after you've applied all your makeup, which is great because then you can take this with you, apply it on the go, whether you're at the beach, the pool, or just your regular day-to-day, you can use this. So how it works is you take the lid off, of course, and you are going to pull this brush guard down. So that's what this little thing is. This is your brush guard to help protect the bristles here. So what you do is pull this down, and then when you're ready to use it, all you do is you turn it upside down, and you pump the brush guard a couple times, and you'll see, you guys see that there? Just a little bit will come out. So what you do, pump that in there, and then you just simply, see where that's coming out there? Dust this very lightly, and I'll go back, of course, and blend this once I get this spread around. But you just blend it all over in a circular motion, and that is applying that tinted finishing powder all over your face, but it's also, like I said, going to protect your skin. So this is absolutely perfect for, like I said, at the beach, on the go, whatever, where maybe you've already applied your makeup and you don't want to be, applying sunscreen on top of your makeup. That's what this does for you. Also helps blur fine lines and wrinkles, so it's really, really cool. No need for a filter on your pictures, ladies. Keep it natural. Show off your natural skin. Don't be afraid. We all know if you're filtering your pictures anyway. So that is just real quick how you use this. I love it. Like I said, for me, I want to have sunscreen protection all day on my face, not just for the first 2 hours when I apply it. So this is perfect because it's meant to be applied on top of your makeup to protect your skin all day long. So if you've got questions about it, it comes in 4 different shades. So very nice. And because it's a semi-translucent, you don't have to be super concerned. The light version covers several shades of skin. This is the medium version. Then there's a dark and a deep version. So really all skin tones and types are covered. So I'm super excited to have this now. Can't wait to use it some more. But those are my very first time using it, very first reviews straight out of the box. The other thing that I really like about it is that it does have the expiration date directly on the container, and this expires of April 2020. So I think that's important. A lot of people don't realize that makeup and skincare products do expire. And I'll talk with ladies that have been using the same, literally the same makeup. Maybe it's eyeshadow or something, and it's the same container for like 5 years. That stuff is expired by now. And it's not safe to be using expired milk or expired makeup, just like you wouldn't use or consume expired food. So keep that in mind. If you've got questions, let me know, but be sure to tune in to my VIP group because I think since I like this so much, I think I'm gonna have to do a special little giveaway or something. So tune in over my VIP group. You can get added there at julieoliverius.com/mycommunity, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.